Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how I turn my plain bathroom into this beautiful magical sanctuary. Just stay tuned. So you're gonna need fairy lights, and I got these from Amazon for under $15. So first things first, you're gonna wrap around the copper wire around one side of your shower rod and then bring it through the loops. After you have all of the copper wire on one side through your loops, you're going to want to start pulling where you want them to hang and make sure it's like even. It's a little tedious. It took me a little while because the lights will get stuck and everything like that, which is annoying, or get tangled. But yeah. So I got them to the length that I desire. They're all around the same length. It took a while, but got it. Okay, so now you want to take the fairy light, the copper wires, and twist them together so it can form one line. So at the end, you should have about 12. It's a little time consuming, honey. All finished here. So now this is optional. You can leave them hanging like this, or I like to hot glue because I want them to stay still. Because if you leave them, they're just gonna get tangled and stuff, and I don't like that. So if you decide to hot glue like me, all I did was just put a little hot glue at the bottom of them and just stick them onto the clear curtain. It's much easier. You don't have to go all crazy. And now it's time to flip your shower curtain over. I got this one from Target. You can use whatever you prefer. And this is it, plain with no lights. And here is the lights. Yes, look how beautiful. This is a straight vibe. Straight vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.